So what we have here is we have the Elongator. It's a total tailgate replacement, OEM replacement gate. Comes with a backup camera, comes with the auto key fob. This is an OEM white match. Comes in various colors, various laminate colors. What you do is you open the gate, fold this section out. If you're attempting to load something longer than the truck bed lumber-wise, you'll lock at 180. If you attempt at this time to load an ATV, push this latch down, retracts another 30 degrees to 210 degrees. This portion is the start of your ramp. Take your ramp out of the interior. Put your ramp in place. Various wheelbases. Drive your ATV in. Take your ramps off. Resecure them in the compartment. Close the gate. It doesn't impede the bed. All one system, totally integrated.